What's up guys? Today's video is on the iPhone 16 series. That's the iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro and the 16 Pro Max. And today I'm here to break it all down for you. So buckle up, this is the good, the bad and the ugly of the latest iPhones. Let's start with the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. Aesthetically, they look almost identical to the iPhone 15 lineup, but there's one exception. The new ultramarine color. It's spicy and definitely eye-catching. Apple has also upgraded the ceramic shield to be 50% stronger, though we didn't know exactly how they measured that. It might help with durability, but let's see how it holds up in real-world use. One big visual change in the camera layout. Apple's gone back to the straight-line camera arrangement, reminiscent of the old iPhones. It's like we are on the design merry-go-round, but this new setup is designed to let the cameras work together for spatial video. Cool for the handful of Apple's Vision Pro owners out there, I guess. The iPhone 16 and 16 Plus cameras have received some small but useful upgrades, like autofocus on the ultra-wide lens, and if you like the Pro's action button from last year, well, now the regular iPhone gets it too. Though I'm still think it's awkwardly positioned. People have been using this button in all sorts of creative ways, from dimming their flashlight to making fart noises. Yep, the sky is the limit. But here's where the things get a little confusing. Apple's added another button, the camera control button. It's packed with cool functionality like adjusting focus and zoom, but I can't help but think it's a bit redundant next to the action button. Plus, it's not the most user-friendly for portrait shots. Be prepared for some finger gymnastics. Moving on, Apple's made some solid performance upgrades. The iPhone 16 model now jumps to the A18 chip, skipping a generation. You are getting a 30% faster CPU, 40% faster GPU, and double the AI capabilities. Gaming, multitasking, everything runs buttery smooth. But the real buzzword this year is the Apple Intelligence. It's the Apple's big push into the AI, making things like email summarization, photo cleanup, and reduced interruptions more smarter. It's cool, but honestly, it doesn't feel revolutionary yet. And heads up, most of these features won't roll out until later in the year. Now, let's talk about the pros, the iPhone 16 Pro and the 16 Pro Max. Apple made the screen a bit bigger and trimmed the bezel down, making them look super sleek, but what really sets them apart is the improved 48-megapixel main and ultra-wide cameras, now capable of shooting 8K video at 120 frames per second, perfect for slow-mo, right? Except you are probably going to need more storage than the 128GB default. The Pros come with 4 studio mics, offering better capture sound and new audio mixing modes. Honestly, these upgrades are amazing, but they seem tailored more for pros or content creators than the average iPhone users. So, what's the final verdict? The iPhone 16 lineup offers decent improvements across the board, better cameras, faster experience, and some AI-powered features. But let's be real. If you already have an iPhone 15, the upgrades might not feel groundbreaking. As always, Apple is saving the coolest, cutting-edge features for the Pro models. So that's it for today's breakdown of the iPhone 16 series. Let me know in the comments which features you are most excited about and if you are planning to upgrade. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech breakdowns like this. So see you in the next one.